Wrong way.
Wow, that is so awesome, Ella. So your croquis has a
Crown.
crown. Okay, that's a crown then.
Actually, I want this one to be a girl. This one's gonna be a girl, actually.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're putting dress on them,
Yeah. All of them.
all of them.
But not on the butterfly.
No, butterfly is gotta go tomorrow. We're gonna say bye bye butterfly
I miss her so much. I hope she has ears.
to hear you.
Yeah, like these ears.
My gorgeous girl. So what kind of dress did you make for your crocodile, Ella? Let's see your
It's a
crocodile.
wedding dress.
It's a wedding dress.
Yep.
Oh wow, so is crocodile getting married now?
No.
No.
It's
So what?
That's the only dress.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm making wings for this dinosaur.
Oh, you're making wings? Okay, we'll come and see it later after you're done, okay? Alright.
I'm making it with play-doh.
Okay, Play-Doh. Okay. We'll come
It's
and
made
take a
of
look.
feathers.
Okay. Oh, nice song. Dream, 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 dream.
It's so quiet. Oh, because it's a sad song. It's make her wings.
It's about dreaming.
Nana, I made her wings just even prettier.
See, it says when I miss you, I just dream about you.
Yeah. You mean like this little brother?
I guess, I don't know what he's saying. Maybe her loved ones, her family, I don't know. His family, actually, it's a he. Almost done?
Yeah. I'm gonna leave this part and the naked part, and I'm gonna leave a. I'm not gonna leave a ripped part. I don't want to see.
You're making wings for the dinosaur?
No, I'm not to. Not to. Baby! No!
You're so cute, Ella.
She's not eating orange.
I hope she does, because if she doesn't eat, she needs energy. It's okay. Tomorrow we'll let her go in the nature and find real food. Ella John, all your pants